Morning everyone. Friday morning. A very bad dog in close up. Yeah, and he knows why. He's in bad books today. Actually pooed in the caravan last night. I was so angry. Anyway, Friday morning, I don't know what date it is, but I'm in a place called Staithes. Not Staines, Staithes. S-T-A-I-T-H-E-S. On my way up to Redcar, Sunderland Lake. Don't know what that is. It looks like a local, I don't know. Anyway, carrying on. There's the headland. This will absolutely slay you in a moment. There's a wind farm over there, and as you can see, the road is fenced off. Oops. The road is fenced off, and for good reason. It ends right just there. My God, the road fell into the sea basically. We did come across one or two little bits before, but yeah, this is coastal erosion on a massive scale, seems to me anyway. Scary, absolutely scary.